never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love.
I have about an hour before we're leaving for church, so I am going to do a little bit of work this morning so that my afternoon can be a little less stressful. So yeah, this is my Sunday morning routine back home for the summer.
A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
I have always been afraid of changes.
So we have a little bit change of plans. Instead of just coming here after church and working and going to get my nails done, my friend Emma is having a recital. She just told me about this morning, but I want to go support her. So I ran back home from church. We had lunch. It's now 2 o'clock, and I thought I'd do a little outfit of the day because I really like my summer outfit for her recital. And so then when I come back home tonight, I'll just stay up a little later, catching up on everything I need to do before this week. But anyway, gotta go support the friends. So this is the outfit. This dress is my new favorite dress. I'm normally not a big dress gal, but this summer is changing that. It's from American Eagle. It was super affordable. I love the slits in it. Yeah, I really love it. Sorry my room is not perfectly clean. We're still cleaning up. But anyway, and then this, where's this top from? Maybe Lizard Thicket. That may be the store. Jewelry. This necklace is Ana Luisa jewelry. It's my favorite jewelry brand. Love them. And then my shoes are from Lulu's. Thank you, Lulu's, for gifting me these. They're the perfect summer mule. They go clickety clack. I feel like a little 90s girl when I walk in them because they just like come up and hit my foot. I don't know what I'm saying. And then my purse. This is my Tory Burch purse, which I got on sale this winter for summer. So I'm excited to have that match my shoes. And these are Target sunglasses. So I'm gonna go. I haven't driven my car in a while, so I'm really excited to just put on a podcast or some music and drive my car. It's like a 40-minute drive, so we're gonna have a good drive and maybe get some Starbucks. We'll see. Okay, here we go. Made it here. Yay. First to do on this Memorial Day, make a blueberry pie. We're going over to some friend's house for the afternoon to swim and barbecue, fun stuff, and I am in charge of making desserts. So I'm gonna make a blueberry pie. I made this one last year on the 4th of July with like fresh picked blueberries, and it was phenomenal. It was the best pie I've ever had, and it's a really easy recipe that I found on Pinterest. I'll link it below, but these are all the ingredients. Plus the pre-made pie crust, because although I love making homemade crust, don't have time for that, and Whole Foods only had whole wheat, so hopefully it's good. But yeah, let's get started. Little baking montage. now got my coffee and I'm gonna do my devotions here in my room. I love my little coffee table over here. It's just like the perfect chill area, but I'm gonna drink this and do my devotions while the pie bakes. Such a perfect morning. So here's my breakfast. It's a little weird, no judgment, but it is some canned pineapple because I have my wisdom teeth out tomorrow, and apparently pineapple is supposed to help with swelling, so I'm going to eat it a lot today. And then Greek yogurt and raspberries, which is like my normal breakfast. But then, guys, I added in some cottage cheese because I have this at my cafeteria at school, at college. I would get Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, peanut butter, and peaches, and it was so good. I don't know why, but college this past year made me start craving cottage cheese, so I got some from the store yesterday so I could have it, and it's actually so yummy. It just mixes so well with Greek yogurt and then the fresh sweet fruit, so I love it. You can try it if you want. Healthy fats and protein there, but yeah, I'm going to eat this and start doing some work. So I wanted to show you guys what I'm working on first. So I actually reached out on Instagram and my YouTube live yesterday and talked about how I want to actually include you guys into my podcast, and with just 5 to 15 minute interviews at the beginning of each episode. And a lot of you guys have already filled out the type form saying you're interested. I'll leave the type form survey questionnaire thing in the description box of this video in case you're also interested. But basically what I'm doing is making a Calendly, which is what I use to schedule my podcast episodes because it makes it really easy for me to set my availability. That's what I'm doing now, like saying on Mondays from 10 to 1 you can book, or whatever I decide to do. And then it's really easy for people that reach out to me and then I reach back out to them saying to book a slot. It's easy for them to choose for their schedule. So this is what I use to schedule my podcast episodes. Yeah, basically I'm just adding in what days I want to record. So like Wednesday, June 5th, I want to have some time this day to record. So I'll pull up my Google Calendar and look at, don't mind my Band-Aid, and look at what days I have some time, and then put it into my Calendly, and they're connected too, which is nice. So yeah, that's what I'm doing first this morning. I took a break and did a few minutes of yoga stretching, very quick. I gotta figure out what my workout routine is gonna be this summer, but now I'm really gross and I really need to wash my hair, so I'm gonna hop in the shower. But I thought I would show you guys real quick some of my favorite products that I've been using. First off, the Flamingo razor is great. You can get it at Target. It's super affordable. Their products are super affordable. Love it. This is the shampoo I've been using. I don't know how much I love it. It's the Charcoal Detox shampoo, and then the Christian S conditioner. Everyone says they love Christian S. I did not like the shampoo, and I'm just trying to use it, the conditioner, but to get a new one. So I don't know what the hype is, at least for my hair. And then this is actually a little Lush soap, which is super cute. But the body wash I took with me to Costa Rica, and the deodorant that I'm loving is from Native, the coconut vanilla scent wash and the deodorant. It smells so good for summer. So yeah, I've been loving that. And then on my face, I always use my Rodan & Fields Redefine mask as my cleanser. So good. Love it. Okay, time to shower. Okay, gotta hydrate. It is now almost 11:30. Feeling better after my shower. But I think it's gonna be a no makeup day to let my skin kind of breathe. Because when I was wearing no makeup in Costa Rica, my skin looked really good. And then as soon as I got back, I started putting on makeup and little breakouts started coming. So just a no makeup summer, I don't think you guys mind. So I'm making a list right now of everything I want to go over on my call with my Chicago event co-host Jen. We have a call in about 3 minutes, and it's been a while since we talked, so there's a lot we need to go over. Basically we're trying to find, I want to give you guys, I got some comments saying you guys wanted more like behind the scenes of the work I actually do and this event, the planning of it. So what we're doing is we need to talk about getting our final sponsors. She has a call on Wednesday that I'm probably not gonna be able to make because of my surgery, with hopefully another potential sponsor. So we just gotta go through our budget, figure out how many more sponsors we need. We need some more food sponsors. We're deciding whether we want to do goodie bags for everyone or a few big raffles, and then also we're thinking of just changing up a few things like the ticket price, so we got to talk about that, as well as the marketing plan and contacting our panelists. All that, those are the main things I have on my list here. So if you're from Chicago and you know anyone who'd be interested in speaking or being a sponsor, anything like that, send them my way through Instagram DM or email. Everything's below. Awesome. Okay, yeah, that'll be great. That's exciting. Yeah, I also found, I went on Evolve Her's like blog and found some of the events they did and sponsors there. One was Tiesta Tea, which was like a brewed tea company. So I have their website, I'll send to you. And then they also had, I found like 2 flower companies. I don't know if we want flowers, but maybe if we can get them sponsored, it'd be a nice addition.
I don't get enough sleep.
Work update, I've been doing some emails, and what else? Instagram, I announced that the tickets are live, which is really, really exciting. I updated our Eventbrite page. If you want to go learn more, you can follow Chicago__creates. And I just posted this graphic that I made on Canva saying the tickets are now for sale, which is really exciting. So, yes. And now I'm going to play around with Photoshop because it is something new for me, but I'm needing to do it. So we're trying to make a sticker logo because Moo is printing stickers for us as a sponsor, which is awesome. So I'm gonna work on a sticker for the event.
I don't get enough sleep, not enough to play your game. You're running your mouth like you know everything. I don't have enough patience to write it out for you. Can't leave it all behind just like you want me to. I don't get enough sleep. I don't get enough sleep. Sleep, sleep, sleep. I don't have enough time. No, you don't understand.
Whew, okay, it is now 2 o'clock. I think I am done working for today. We're about to head over to my friend, our old family friends. My friend Taylor is going to be there, and I can't wait to see her because I haven't seen her in a while because we go to different colleges. And I get to bring over my blueberry pie I made this morning. So I know this was probably a pretty boring vlog, but I just wanted to show you guys like really what my work days look like. It's usually just working for an hour and a half or so, take a break. I'm really excited for the event. I'm a little nervous, but that's just to be expected. But doing a lot of work today and having a talk with Jen really just made me feel better about the whole thing. So I'm gonna go put on my swimsuit and grab my pie and then go enjoy this holiday before my wisdom teeth surgery tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed though. If you did, give it a thumbs up and let me know if you want more business day in the lives. And I will see you in my next vlog or video. Bye. Peace out.